If I only had 3 minutes with you, enough time to plant one seed, that seed would be this. Focus is the highest form of discipline, and distraction is the silent weakness of our time. We live in a world designed to pull you away from yourself. Notifications, opinions, endless content, constant noise pretending to be urgency. Your attention is being competed for every second because attention is power. And every time you give it away carelessly, you weaken your ability to build something meaningful. Distraction doesn't look dangerous, it looks harmless. It looks like scrolling for just a minute, checking one more thing, starting something, then abandoning it halfway. But over time, distraction trains your brain to escape effort, to avoid depth, to choose stimulation over growth. That is why so many people feel busy but not fulfilled, active but not progressing, connected but not aligned. Because discipline is no longer about working harder. Today, discipline means protecting your focus. Focus is everything. Focus is saying, this matters, everything else can wait. Focus is staying when it becomes repetitive, when it becomes quiet, when no one is watching, when there is no instant reward. Anyone can start, few can stay. But the one who stay, who return to the same path, the same practice, the same mission, they become powerful in ways distraction can never understand. Focus builds mastery, focus builds confidence, focus builds identity. Scattered attention creates scattered result. Directed attention builds a life. You don't need more time, you need fewer interruptions. You don't need more motivation, you need stronger boundaries with your attention. Because where your focus goes, your future follows. Guard your attention like it is your most valuable resource, because it is. Say no to what fragments you, say yes to what strengthens you. Return to your priorities again and again, even when it feels ordinary. Greatness is not built in bursts of intensity, it is built in sustained focus. Every time you resist distraction, you reclaim control. Every time you stay present, you sharpen discipline. Every time you finish what you started, you strengthen trust in yourself. The world will always try to divide your attention. Your job is to decide what deserves it. Ask yourself gently, what is stealing my focus every day? What truly deserves my full attention right now? Where have I confused being busy with being disciplined? What would change if I protected my focus for the next 30 days? Choose depth over noise, choose focus over impulse, and watch how discipline begins to shape everything you become. Thank you for being here.